You need to watch this if you struggle with identifying deadly plants in your garden. Meet the autumn crocus, also known as the meadow saffron. This stunning bloom can light up your garden with its vibrant purple petals. But beware, botany enthusiasts, this beauty hides a dark secret. The autumn crocus is highly poisonous, packed with colchicine, a toxin that can be fatal if ingested. Ancient myths say this flower sprang from the blood of mythological giants. While that's just a tale, the danger is very real. In history, it's been both a poison and a remedy. Used in small controlled doses, colchicine has medicinal properties, particularly in treating gout. So next time you see this enchanting flower, admire it from a distance. Because with the autumn crocus, it's beauty that comes at a price.